Let's go over the top signs your AC compressor might be going bad and could need replacement. First, if your AC suddenly blows warm air, no matter how low you set it, that's a big warning sign. It usually means the compressor isn't building pressure or moving refrigerant properly. But before you assume it's bad, check for low refrigerant or a leak. Both can cause the same symptom and are much cheaper to fix. Second, loud noises when the AC kicks on. Grinding, squealing, or rattling sounds often mean something's failing, but it's not always the compressor itself. It could be the compressor clutch, which only engages when the AC is on, or sometimes a pulley bearing. Still, if the noise is deep, metallic, and follows the AC cycle, it's a strong sign the compressor's internal parts are wearing out. And third, if your mechanic finds black or burnt oil in the AC system, that's a sure sign of internal compressor failure. That dark oil is full of metal shavings and burnt debris, meaning the compressor's been grinding itself apart. When that happens, the only real fix is to replace the compressor and flush the system completely before installing new parts. So if your AC is blowing warm, making noise, or the oil's gone black, don't ignore it. Have a technician check pressures, refrigerant level, and clutch operation first. But if those check out, it's time for a new compressor.